Hey guys, Black Friday is coming up. This will be White Fox's biggest and longest sale this year. Everything will be 40% off, but only for 6 hours. Have a little bit of a haul just to give you guys some ideas of what to get. First thing I got was this top. And I got this beaded skirt to match. This is so cute for summer. This is the first outfit. I really like it and it goes like so well together. Next outfit, we have this tube top. This really cute skirt. I'm really excited to try this on. I'm actually really happy with all these outfits so far, and the skirt's actually a skirt, so I'm not gonna flash anybody. Next, I got this little like matching set. Perfect to wear to the beach because I love the colors. It'll make me look more tan. Also, this is the only place you can get White Fox from. Hopefully that helped you guys get some ideas of what to get for the White Fox sale. Bye guys.